Oh yeah, it's gonna be a great day. Great, now my hair's all messed up. It is middle of November, and it's my favorite time to come to Outer Banks. Why? There's not that many people, and you have the entire beaches to yourself. September all the way to until it gets cold, January. It's a great time to come. And there's no reason. Look at the weather. It's great out here. It's a little windy. And my hair is messed up. It's blowing in the wind. But I'm not going to let it ruin my day. Life is good. Everybody that knows me knows that I prefer to be in the mountains and hiking. But if it's not the mountains, it's Outer Banks, baby. And you know what? That's a question I like to bring up. If you had your choice, you can only live in one place. And if you had the best view, would you choose a house on Outer Banks, right on the seashore? Or would you be in the mountains with a great view there? Which one would you prefer? Also like to go ahead and give a shout out to my latest subscriber, Taylor Boo 23. I hope you're watching. I'm excited to have you a part of our YouTube family, and welcome aboard. Leave a comment down below, guys, if you can. Also, Going Coastal Jeep Club, thank you for subscribing. Barbara, Mike, you guys are wonderful people. I'd like to go ahead and get up with you guys and make a video with you as well. Those Jeep people, they're some crazy people. Put a lot of money in their Jeeps, and then they go out there and just run it all over the place. I just can't see it, man. I tell you what, but some beautiful Jeeps. Life is good.